Let's talk about our consciousness. Computers can do amazing things, much quicker calculations than us, but will they ever be aware of it? This thought experiment helps demonstrate the fact that we don't actually know how consciousness comes about. But what do we know? If you think about it, our conscious thoughts and experiences are pretty much the only thing that we can be sure exists, but we still don't fully understand them. First off, a definition. Consciousness is everything you experience, from frustration from a math problem to the redness of the color red. Some believe that consciousness has no physical substrate, but current scientific theories assume that consciousness originates from our brain. Our brain is made of tens of billions of neurons and glial cells. Each neuron is connected to many others, creating complex structures. Our brain's function is basically the activity of its neurons, each one receiving and sending signals. Though we don't know where consciousness resides in the brain, we do know that not all parts of the brain are necessary. Some patients lost different parts of the brain, and as a result, lost some function. For example, how to fluently type. But only sometimes their consciousness was harmed. So why can't any part of the brain give rise to consciousness? Frankly, we don't know. But there are different theories which try to suggest possible answers. Let's go over two of them. Information integration theory is a theory that starts with experience itself. It suggests 5 axioms that hold the necessary conditions for a conscious experience. It exists only for the experiencer. It has different parts. It is different from other experiences. It is unified and definite. For each of these axioms, there is a corresponding postulate that states a requirement about the structure of a system that would be able to implement the axiom. Therefore, for a thing to be conscious, its underlying mechanism should fulfill all the postulates. That means that computers won't ever be conscious. That is, unless we fundamentally change the way they're built. Another theory, the global neural workspace, says that awareness of information is an outcome of that information becoming widely accessible, so it can be processed by different sections of the brain. There are certain requirements for consciousness, like the ability to get and use information, integrate and compare it, and converge to a decision and stick to it for a duration of time, let alone being able to learn about itself. Although currently no computer can do that, it is not inconceivable. So what do you think?